Forget expensive creams. Protecting your skin from the sun is the only true anti-aging method that actually works. As a skin cancer survivor myself, I stay out of the sun completely, and that's why I love Beneunder. I've got an exclusive discount code for you today, and trust me, you do not want to miss this video. Let's dive in. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Life and Style by Liz. If you are new here, my name is Liz, and I love all things affordable and edgy, and I also like to keep a healthy lifestyle, and that brings me to today's video, you guys. This is my first time partnering with Beneunder. They are a brand that produces sun protective clothing. This subject is near and dear to my heart. If you don't know, I did have a melanoma on my thigh about 13 years ago. Well, that truly scared me, and I have been out of the sun ever since. And fortunately, it was superficial. They were able to cut it out, and I kept it moving. And knock on wood, I have not had any issues since. I do go for a twice a year checkup. Initially, it was every 3 months. So that's how serious this is. And I do recommend everyone be serious about sun protection. So Beneunder has clothing that can protect us from the sun. We are going to talk about it all today. You guys are probably wondering what is on my arms and why I am wearing them. Now, although they're cute, they actually serve a purpose. And we're going to talk about that. Before I get into each piece of clothing, I do want to let you know I have a discount code for you. You can hop over to Beneunder and use code Liz15 to save 15% off anything site-wide. In addition to that, if you buy at least 3 items, you can use Liz20 and save 20% off. So we're going to get into these clothes and why they are so important, you guys. This is a tank top. It has a built-in bra with it. It is so comfortable, you guys. I can't tell you how buttery soft it is. I love the color. It's in a gray, and I'm wearing it in a size medium. I do want to mention, I find that the clothing may need to be sized up on most items. So the medium is great in the top. However, the pants I did grab in a small, and they do seem a bit tight, but we're gonna go over it as we go piece by piece. So both pieces have UPF 50 on them. So this top is gonna protect me with a UPF 50, and the pants are as well. I'm gonna show you those in a second. In addition to that, obviously I am wearing these sun protective arm sleeves, and these are also UPF 50. So you guys, I do have to mention one thing. I have an audience that is generally in the area of my age, within 10 years. I am 54, as I mentioned earlier, and we all love to do anti-aging techniques, all kinds of skincare products. I am here to tell you, if you don't protect your skin, and I mean your skin all over, from the sun, throw out all of your skincare, because that is the #1 thing we need to do. Sun protection is actually the only real anti-aging product that exists. So keep that in mind as we go over all of this. One of the things that ages very quickly and is the first to age on us are our hands, you guys. And we get more sun on our left side. I grab these sun protective arm sleeves for driving. This arm, and I'm going to show you in a second, has a ton of sunspots on it. Check your left arm, you guys, and you guys let me know in the comments down below. Do you see any difference from your right arm? I'm going to show you mine in a second. So protecting your arms and partially your hands, I also have, for driving, a pair of sun protective gloves. I wish I had had these years ago, and if you are younger or if you have daughters, recommend that they grab these, you guys, because my hands are showing my age for sure. So these are great. I got the pair that is fingerless, so I can do whatever I need to on my phone or dashboard, etc. And they will protect the tops of your hands with, again, a UPF 50, and you won't have to worry about your hands aging any more than they already have. And again, if you're younger, lucky you, grab these, you guys. They're also very nice to drive in. They have sort of a grip on the palms, so you're not going to slip on the steering wheel or anything like that. All right, let's look at the pants. Then I'm going to show you my arm. Check these out, you guys. These are a straight leg pair of sun protective pants, and I think they're so cute. I do think they're adorable. I just wish I had grabbed a medium. So do keep in mind the sizing on these does run a bit small. You're going to want to size up. Here they are in the back. I love the design, and again, I love that straight leg. Now they're calling it a straight leg. To me, it looks a little bit like a wide leg. They're so adorable. They'd be great for walking outside. This whole outfit would. I do have a jacket. I've got a hat. I've got all of it. You're going to see all of it shortly. Let me take these gloves off now that you know what you need. And don't forget, these are great. They have a grippy material. Almost feels like a suede that you can tell is going to grip that steering wheel or bicycle. If you guys ride bikes, grab these. You know your hands are in the direct sunlight. So I'll leave this one on. I do want to let you know that these were very easy to put on. They do have a little bit of grippy material right at the top, so that they stay up and I don't have to worry about anything. They don't feel tight at all. I think they're kind of cute too. You guys know I love the fashion portion of things. All right, so check this arm out, you guys. Look, this is my driving arm. It looks like it's got polka dots. I did not order the polka dot arm at birth, I promise you. This is sun-made, unfortunately. So check your arms out and get back to me. Do you have something similar? Also, look at my hands. You can see that the skin is thin. You're seeing all of my veins. I'm starting to get a few little freckles, aka age spots. So these gloves hopefully will at least suspend where I am right now. We don't want aged hands. All right, you guys, I'm so passionate about sun protection. I can't wait to bring you my next outfit. We've got to protect our hair, our scalp, and our face. Most importantly, our face, right, you guys? So like I said, throw away your skincare if you're not going to use sun protection. I will be right back to show you how you can keep your face, shoulders, neck, chest protected with Beneunder. All right, before you guys start laughing at me, who knew I was going to come back with a hat? I know you guys have heard this before, but I'm going to reiterate. If you want to protect your skin, specifically your face from the sun, you need a wide brimmed hat. It does not matter how much sunscreen you put on. It does not compare to keeping your face completely out of the sun. This hat is UPF 50. It is nice and light and airy. This is a wire right here. It does have a strap on it to keep it around your neck or keep it from blowing away. I just put it in the back. You can remove it if you wanted to. I love the hat. They have a ton of different designs in their hats. I just chose the most simple, sort of like a bucket hat in black. I think it's adorable. When you are out walking, you can wear a hat in lieu of sunglasses, and you will protect your face as well as pretty much your chest because that brim is pretty good. You can see it from the side here. So loving that. Now for the shirt, I have the same shirt on in a size medium. I do have a different pair of pants on. For the pants, I am wearing the UPF of 100. Yes, you heard that correctly. Breathable pants in black in a size small. Now again, keep in mind, I'm definitely going to be sizing up the next time I order from Beneunder. The pants are a bit small on me and also a bit short. I need a longer length. So I think the size medium would fix all of that. But these are great, nice elastic waist. They have such a nice, very airy and breathable feel to them with stretch. These front pockets in the back, you can see that they are fitted and stretchy as well. And they almost have like a bit of a flare at the bottom with that side bend. That is a nice breathable and airy cut there on the leg. And I would appreciate that when I'm outside walking. And you cannot beat a UPF of 100 on these pants. Fantastic. You guys are going to be all set with Beneunder. Don't forget you can save 15% with Liz 15, or you can use Liz 20 if you buy at least 3 items and save 20%. Their items are fantastic, very well made. Just make sure you're sizing up in these. And you guys, you are going to be sun protected all summer. And don't forget what I said, you guys. I don't care how much anti-aging skincare you use. If you are not protecting your skin from the sun, none of it's going to work. All right, I'm going to come back with another look. I have another pair of black pants. They're a little bit different. And I have a jacket, you guys. You're going to love it. I'll be right back. I am back with my next look. So I have another shirt on. It has a built-in sports bra. And it is also UPF 50. It is just in a different color. And I grabbed it in the black. It is ribbed, so it is a bit different. The material is just slightly different. Still so soft, you guys. I love the fit on their tops, I have to say. I find that they are comfortable. They're different than a compressive sports bra or sports tank. These are really soft and buttery and comfortable. I will definitely be making use out of these. And I do love that you have adjustable straps and that built-in bra. You cannot beat it. You don't have to worry about a thing. So for pants, I did grab a different pair. Now these pants are a little bit more stretchy and they're in black and they are more like, I would say, a flared legging almost. Nice and high-waisted. Again, the length for me is a bit short, so I think the medium would just do the trick and make the length and give me more room in through here. Here they are in the back. You could see that high waist, and I think they're super flattering. I definitely need the medium though, so do keep that in mind on the pants. The tops are fitting me perfectly in the size medium. Loving that, and don't forget the pants, yes, are 100 for the UPF. You have such sun protection with Beneunder. I am thrilled with that. All right, I have a jacket in pink, you guys. I broke up the black a little bit for us. So this one is long sleeved, of course, and you have thumb holes so you can protect your hands and wrists as well. Wait until you see the back. it has a hat attached. Well, it's a hood, but it does have a brim on it. So you're gonna get full sun protection in this, you guys. And the jacket is UPF 100 as well. By the way, I grabbed it in a small and it fits me perfectly. The arms are nice and long. That's always something that I look for. All right, so it does have a hood on it, as I mentioned earlier, and I'm gonna pull it up. I think I might need a medium though when it comes to the hood. Let's go ahead and put it on. You could see that it also could zip all the way up to here, you guys. I don't want to do that because you won't be able to hear me, but it can protect your face as well if you zipped it all the way up to here. That is fantastic. It's in that cropped style and it's nice and loose because the goal of this jacket is not necessarily to keep you warm. It is to keep you out of the sun. They wanted to make it cool and moisture wicking, and they certainly did that. You can see that it's nice and airy. It's not going to keep me hot or anything like that. In fact, I'll probably be cooler because my arms are protected from the sun, and I did choose a lighter color. And look how airy it is. It is not clinging anywhere. It gets a little bit longer in the back. And when you want it, you have that hood to go ahead and protect you from the sun. And of course, you can go ahead and zipper it and get a full face protection as well. Another reason besides skin cancer and aging, I don't like to be in the sun is because I do have olive skin and I easily get hyperpigmentation and I do have a bit of melasma on my face. What that is dark spots. It typically starts during pregnancy. Sometimes it goes away, sometimes it comes back. It's kind of a hormonal thing. I've had it since my second pregnancy and I do cover it up with makeup, but it's right here and that is the last place you want anything dark in the mustache area. You know what I mean, guys? So I do always put extra sunscreen there and of course I stay out of the sun. But a hat and a coat like this that comes up to here would really help protect me from exposing my face and those melasma spots to more sun. So I am just loving all of these products, you guys. I would have to say my favorite are these sleeves. Again, you guys saw all of the marks on my left arm. Check yours and let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to use my discount code if there's anything that you do want to purchase over there on Beneunder. It is Liz15 to save 15%. If you do purchase at least 3 items, you can use Liz20 and save 20%. I will have everything linked for you down in the description box below and pinned to the first comment. Let me know what you think. Are you serious about keeping out of the sun and sun protection? I really hope you guys all are. I got very lucky that my melanoma, skin cancer, was able to be cut right out of my skin and that was the end of it. It could have been much, much worse. And for that reason, I recommend all of us stay out of the sun and I recommend you get a yearly skin check. So protect your skin, stay young, keep the polka dots off your arms, and try out Beneunder. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. I hope you guys all have a great day. Stay protected from that sun, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.